With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So our question is, whenever an acid is neutralized by the base, the net reaction is the H plus reacts with OH minus. It will be OH minus and it will be H plus. Then it forms water. And here the heat evolved is 57.1 kilojoule. So we have to calculate the heat evolved when the 0.50 mole of HCl solution is mixed with 0.30 mole of KOH. So first of all, we have to know what is the neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction is a reaction in which the acid reacts with base. It gives the formation of a salt plus water. In simple way, we can also write it like this. We know that the acid are those substances which can give H plus and base are those substances which can give OH minus, that is hydroxyl radical. So in simply way, we can say that it gives the formation of a water. Now we have to know what is the heat of neutralization. So heat of neutralization is a reaction in which the heat is released when 1 mole of H plus reacts with 1 mole of OH minus and it gives the formation of 1 mole of water. And during this process, the heat is released is known as the heat of neutralization. So this is all about the definitions. Now if we move towards the question, then it has been given that 0.50 mole of HCl and 0.30 mole of KOH. So we know that 1 mole of HCl on dissociation gives 1 mole of H plus ion. So by unitary method, we can easily say that 0.50 mole of HCl on dissociation gives 0.50 mole of H plus ion. Similarly, we can also show that 1 mole of NaOH gives 1 mole of hydroxyl ion. Similarly, we can say that 0.3 mole of NaOH on dissociation gives 0.3 mole of OH minus ion. So if we write the standard reaction of neutralization, then it has been given that H plus reacts with OH minus gives water, and in this case initially we are having H plus as 0.50 mole and we are having OH minus as 0.30 mole, and initially we are not having any water. Now what happens at time t when 0.30 neutralized with 0.50 of H plus? So what happens? It just got neutralized and here we are having only 0.20 of mole of H plus left in the solution, and we will have in the solution 0.30 mole of water. Now here we can say that only 0.30 mole of H plus and OH minus reacts to give the formation of 0.3 mole of water. So we will use the definition of heat of neutralization in order to solve this question. So we know that 1 mole of H plus and OH minus gives 1 mole of water, and during the process the heat evolved is heat of neutralization. So from it we can say that the heat evolved when 0.30 mole of H plus reacts with 0.30 mole of OH minus, then in this case the heat evolved will be what? Here it has been given the standard equation in which for 1 mole it has been given minus 57.1 kilojoule. So from here we can say that for 0.30 mole we will have 0.30 multiply minus 57.1. So on solving it, we get minus 17.13 and it has been given in kilojoule. So it will be in kilojoule. So from a what we can say that overall conclusion that the heat evolved will be 17.13 kilojoule when 0.30 mole of H plus reacts with 0.30 mole of OH minus ion, and it has been calculated by the definition of heat of neutralization reaction. So this is the answer, that is minus 17.13 kilojoule is the energy released. Here negative sign shows that it is exothermic process. So I hope you got this concept. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.